Right, so I'm at Moffat Hill with spectacular sunrise past this cairn, and that's towards the north. Down there in the valleys is rather beautiful St. Mary's Loch. Walked past a little while ago, a few years ago, while walking southern Upland Way. You can make out from here Loch ASKII, which is where I'm going to be walking to in about 3 miles time. Really looking forward to this, not to mention the other impressive, apparently, waterfalls on the way. This is nature in all its glory. This cairn, and then the sun rising on the horizon. Unbelievable. I'm at Herman Low, the last hill before dropping down to A708 down below. There we are. Down below is the hamlet of Birkhill and the A road, and of course ahead of me are the mighty Moffat Hills.